Have you ever wondered about the legitimacy of some of the biggest names in finance? You see their logos everywhere, their ads pop up on your screens, but deep down, a little voice might ask, are they really a bank? Today, we're tackling that question head-on for one of the most recognizable institutions in the UK and beyond, Lloyds Bank. For many, the iconic black horse logo of Lloyds Bank is synonymous with banking in Britain. It evokes a sense of tradition, stability, and trust. But in an age where digital-only banks are emerging and financial scams are unfortunately common, it's fair to question if an institution like Lloyds still holds the same weight as a real bank. So, is Lloyds a real bank? The short answer is an unequivocal yes. Lloyds Bank is not just a real bank, it's one of the oldest and most established financial institutions in the United Kingdom, with a history stretching back over 250 years. Let's delve into a bit of that history to understand its roots and evolution. Lloyds Bank began its journey in 1765 as Taylors and Lloyds in Birmingham, founded by iron founders Sampson Lloyd and button maker John Taylor. It was, in essence, Birmingham's first bank, serving the growing needs of merchants and manufacturers during the burgeoning Industrial Revolution. From a single office, it expanded steadily, eventually becoming a joint stock company in 1865 and adopting the name Lloyds Bank Limited in 1889. Over the decades, Lloyds Bank grew through numerous mergers and acquisitions, integrating over 50 other banks between 1865 and 1923, significantly solidifying its presence across the UK. In more recent times, notable mergers include that with the Trustee Savings Bank, TSB, in 1995 to form Lloyds TSB Group, and the major takeover of Halifax Bank of Scotland, HBOS, in 2009, which led to the creation of Lloyds Banking Group, a financial giant. What does being a real bank entail today? It means operating under strict regulations, offering a comprehensive range of legitimate financial services, and being part of a robust financial ecosystem that protects consumers. Lloyds Bank ticks all these boxes. Lloyds Bank plc is authorized by the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA, and regulated by both the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the PRA in the UK. This regulatory oversight ensures that Lloyds adheres to stringent financial standards, maintains adequate capital, and treats its customers fairly. Crucially, eligible deposits with Lloyds Bank are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, in the UK. This means that if Lloyds Bank were ever to fail, your deposits, up to a certain limit, would be protected by the FSCS, providing a vital layer of security that distinguishes real, regulated banks from less legitimate operations. Beyond its regulatory standing, Lloyds Bank offers a full suite of banking products and services that you would expect from a major financial institution. This includes various types of current accounts, savings accounts, ISAs, individual savings accounts, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, and a wide array of insurance products. They also provide services for businesses, from small enterprises to large corporations, covering everything from business accounts and loans to payment solutions. You can access their services through their extensive branch network, online banking platforms, and mobile banking apps, offering convenience and accessibility for millions of customers. So, when you see that familiar black horse, rest assured that you're looking at a legitimate, historically significant, and heavily regulated financial institution that plays a vital role in the UK's economy and the daily lives of countless individuals and businesses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.